Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Am I audible? Am I visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so welcome Mishita, Naja, Vedant, and everyone else. Like Kanak is there, Jia is there. How all of you are?
Fine, sir.
Fine. Good to see all you guys. That is one reason I do classes. I feel happy when I see all my students smiling and happy. Nice. So thank you, Mishita. Thank you, everyone. So yesterday we talked about polynomials, addition, subtraction, multiplication, taking the factors out, and the final identities. All these are related. Is anyone any conception level question in terms of polynomials, add, subtract, multiply, factors, and identities? No. So today is the time now to apply whatever knowledge we have taken in last 3 sessions of algebra. Because today is the last session of algebra. From next week we'll move on to geometry. So today we are going to apply to solve one variable equation and to solve polynomial, which you need, okay? And maybe some identities. Let's see. First we start with very basic, very important, how to solve. Today is the whole day only for solution, solving equations, okay? Whatever in your syllabus or focus in this mid school or middle school math. When I say today's focus is solving either equations or understanding polynomials, how to solve, or identity. The focus is solving. What do you mean by solving equations, Nishita? What do you understand the meaning of, oh, we have to solve the equation means what? When we say solving equation, what does it mean?
Solving for missing number.
Right. Solving equation means find the numerical value of the missing number of or variable, what you call, correct? Solving equation means get the value of the value of the variable or the missing number, because we assume some missing number as x or y or z or a or b. Find out the value. This is the basic meaning of solving equation. For example, if I say Najha, if I say this, again I am not asking you to solve it, I am asking what does it mean. If I say this, solve below equation, and if I say 5y plus 3 equal to 18, what is the meaning? It means find out what is the value of y, correct? Means find value of y. Y is the missing number or the variable we define, agree? So that's the objective. First, today we'll start with first 10-15 minutes how to solve single variable equation, okay? I'll start with very easy one first, not this one. If I say solve the equation y plus 4 equal to 11, it's very easy or not? If y plus 4 equal to 11, what is the value of y? Priyanka, what will you do?
So we will.
So I'll explain my way of doing it. Only 2 rules. First, put all variables on left hand side. You can put on right also, but I am telling left hand side. Second, put all constants on right hand side. When we say variable means variable terms, okay? And a constant means constant terms. We learned about what is variable or constant. That's the first rule.
Are these the rules about solving equation?
Yes. Solving
Okay.
equation of one variable or multiple. Put all variables terms in the left hand side, put all constants in the right hand side. Now, how to do operation? Operations are very simple, Listen very carefully before we solve this equation. Suppose this is your equal to sign, okay? This is your left hand side, this is your right hand side, right? Yeah. Left side, right side, correct or not? So, if there is a plus here, if you are moving from left to right, it becomes minus. If there is a minus in the left, you are moving to right side, it becomes plus. Minus become plus, plus become minus. Simple. Or if there is a multiply, if you move here, it becomes divide. If there is a divide, if you move here, it becomes multiply. So plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiply becomes divide, divide becomes multiply. That's a basic philosophy. What is the meaning of that? Understand. Okay? Understand. Suppose 5 is here. To take 5 to this side, it becomes negative 5. If negative 3 is there, to take this side, it becomes positive. Okay? These are all the basic things which you should know. If the suppose it is 5 times y is a multiplication here, right? To take 5 this side, it becomes by 5. 5 is a multiplier, 5 goes at the division. We'll do all of this. Or suppose some variable is y divided by 5. 5 is a division. To take here, it becomes times 5. Plus become minus, minus become plus, multiply become divide, divide become multiply. Yes, no.
Sir, do we do this to balance out the sides or?
We do this to solve equations so that one side variable, one side constant. There are two ways of doing it. This is my way of doing it. In most of the Europe and Americas, what they do is they don't move, they multiply or divide. Same thing. In most of the Europe and Americas, I have seen my students, what they do is they don't move. They divide the left side or they add the subtract or subtract. They add, subtract or multiply. So it's not for balancing, Mishita, it is for solving the equation so the one side only variables are there. So let's understand the example, okay?
I can minimize it.
So let's understand the example. Now,
can you minimize it? Is that the question?
No, she asked me why we do that. We do that because to balance it. No, we do it because we want to put only one variable, all variables on one side, so we can solve.
You have a
Once I give
question
the
you
example.
want to ask me?
Sorry, Ria.
Nothing.
Oh, you are talking to me or someone else?
No, sorry, I was writing it down.
No problem.
And yeah, sorry.
No worry. So variables on left, constants on the right. Tell me, y is a variable or constant, Vedant?
It's
Y
a constant.
Y is a variable. Y is a variable.
Why is a variable?
O
Variable
is a constant. 11
because
is a constant. Correct.
yeah.
So guys, 4 and 11 are constant. Y is variable, and this is my equal to sign. Now tell me, Mishita, who we should move where? If I apply this rule, this is correct position, right side.
You should move
This is correct position.
+4.
You should move +4 because this +4 in the left side. I said all constant on right hand side. So this +4 if goes here, it becomes what? -4. Correct? So I'll not write like this. The way I write like this is, I'll say the next equation, y will remain here, 11 will remain here. This +4 from left to go to right side become -4. Correct or not? So now y equal to 11 minus 4. So that's why y equal to 7 is the answer. That's so the question is why we moved, because we wanted to only get the value of y. Cool. Similarly, if I give another example, t minus 3 equal to 23. Who will move? This is the right side, correct? This is the left side, correct? This is the variable but on the left. We should move on to the right side. First, we'll copy t as it is. This -3 will go from here, equal to as it is, 23 as it is. Now, if this moves to right side, -3 will become what, Priyanka?
+3.
Plus 3. So my answer is t equal to 26. That's it. Right? Take one more example. This time, Naja will tell you. If I say 5t equal to 20, this is a constant. This is a variable. This is a constant. Problem. Constant should be on the right side. 5t means what? 5t means 5 multiplied by t, right, Naja?
Yes, sir.
So if this 5 has to go to the right side, what will
It
happen?
will be 20 by 5.
Because we have to divide. Because there was a multiplication here, multiplication becomes divide. So it goes divide.
So the answer is 4.
T is 4. Got everybody? And the last example, Jia, Kanak, Priyanka. If I say t divided by 3, Kanak, if you are there, unmute, equal to 4.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So t divided by 3 equal to 4. This is the left side is perfect. This is the right side perfect. The problem is this. So this 3 is in the division, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I move 3 to the right side, what will become?
4 times 3.
4 times. What we have done is, number which are in division, it becomes multiplication. Remember, thank you, Kanak. So I showed you addition, subtraction, multiplication. That's the rule. So now we'll start with first question. Nishita will explain to all of us how to explain. We'll start directly with 4t plus 2 equal to 2t plus 8. Nishita, first explain which are the variables and which are the constant terms. There are 4 terms here, right? 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term. So what is 40?
Okay. 40 is a variable.
2,
2 is a constant.
correct, 2t,
Variable.
8,
Constant.
perfect. The rule is left side is variables, right side is constant. So now 40 will remain here or will move?
It will remain there.
It will remain. Plus 2 will move.
Yeah.
So let me put equal to sign first here.
Yeah.
We'll move this later. So plus 2 we have to move. This 2t will move
Yeah.
and 8 will remain here.
Yeah.
So let me put 8 here. Now, if plus 2 has to move to the right side, what plus 2 will become?
It will become -2.
Got it, everybody? And if Nishita 2t from the right to the left, 2t is positive here, right?
Yeah, so you have to move, when you move the plus 2t to the other side, it will become
It will
minus
become positive
2t.
to negative. Rules are same, right, everybody? So Nishita said this 2t is positive. When it goes to left side, become negative 2t. So see here, everybody now. Nishita, all variables here, right?
Yeah.
All constant here, right?
Yeah.
Now we'll simplify the way we learned. How much is 40 minus 2t?
2t.
2t equal to. How much is 8 minus 2?
6.
So now we have a simpler equation. So first step is done. Now this 2t means what? 2 times t or what?
It means 2 times t, so
if it's
you have
times
to
t,
bring the
if you have to
2
remove
to
2
the
from here, what will happen? 6 divided by 2 or 6 minus 2 or 6 into 2 or what?
6 divided by 2, because the 2 was the multiplier before, so you
Got
have
it?
to
That's
divide.
very nice. It is a multiplication, it becomes division. So final answer is t equal to 3. That's this what solution of equation. One side variables, one side constant. The rules are plus become minus, minus become plus. Multiply become divide, divide become multiply. You're absolutely clear. Will everyone try the next question, please? Jia, all good? Raja, all good? Priyanka? Perfect. I want everyone to solve. Solve for y. 7y plus 3 equal to 5y plus 9. Try everybody and tell me the answer in the chat. What is y equal to? Who is so fast? Nishita, too fast. Too fast. That's nice. Which grade you are studying, Nishita? You are doing wonderfully well.
8.
Grade 8. Super. Y equal to 3. Vichita says y equal to 3. Kana says y equal to 3. Naja says y equal to 3. First step is, Jia, what is the first step? This 5 will come to left side.
So the 7 is a variable. So what I did first was I wrote down the 7 is a variable, 3 is the constant, 5y is the variable, and 9 is the constant.
Perfect.
So I did 7y, and then I moved the positive 3 to the left side, so that became a negative 3.
What about this?
And then I moved that to the right side because it was on the left side, so that
5y
is
is
a
the right
plus.
side. It will go to left side. Ulta.
Yes. So it's 5y, so it would become a negative 5y.
This is what you got right. First step.
Yes.
Now, how to become 7y minus 5y?
That would be 2y.
9 minus 3.
That would be 6.
So now these two will go out. Right side.
Mhm. So y is equal to 6 divided by 2.
Agree?
Yes.
Perfect. Is everyone good here? No confusion. I'm going with slow. Very nice, Priyanka. Very nice, Naja. And thank you, Jia. Let's everybody try this. Solve for v. V by 5. I know it's easy. Equal to 3. It's a 5-second job. Correct, Nikita. I'm going to make it more difficult. Correct. Yes, Naja. What we'll do is, we will remain here. We will remain here. 5 is in division. 5 goes into multiplication. Everybody will say, sir, too simple. Cool, Priyanka? Yeah. Any confusion, you can stop me. Thank you, Priyanka. And everyone. Jia, got it? Confusion.
So v divided by 5 equals 3. So
This
we
should
have
go right
then.
side, correct? This 5 is in division, right?
Yes.
We divide by 5. If you go 5 right side, 5 become multiplication, right?
Oh, okay. So then it would be 3 times 5 equals 15.
Because I could have written question like this. V divided by 5. That is a better way of writing question, correct? Agree?
Yes.
5 goes into multiplication. That's what we do. Cool?
Yes. Yes.
Right, let's try the more difficult one. 3t minus 1 equal to 5 minus 2t. Let's see who gets the value of t. Okay, Mishita. Okay, Kanak. So Kanak, you are right. Finally get the value of t, Kanak. You only got 5t equal to this. Finally, we need the t only, Kanak. So you have to do one more step. Right. Either you can go to decimal or Mishita, what you said 6 by 5 is perfectly fine. So first step is, I'll remove this minus 1 from here. 3t equal to 5 minus 2t plus 1. No, this 2t also is bad here. We'll take it to right side. 3t plus 2t equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. 3t plus 2t is 5t. No, Kanak, I'll explain. 5t equal to 6. Kanak, you got this right? Unmute. Kanak, come on the screen. This you
Yes,
got,
sir.
right? This you got, right?
Yes.
After that, I tell you what's the problem. No, t will be 6 over 5 or 5 over 6, Kanak.
6/5?
But you're trying 5 over 6. It's 6 over 5, right?
Yes, sir.
So don't see this. Listen, guys, this 5 has to come down. So you can leave the answer here. Or if you want, like Kanak was trying or Nishita tried, you can say it. Both are correct. But this is better, okay? This is always better. Keep it in practice. Okay, Nishita? Kanak? Yes.
Sir.
Ask me.
So how did you get 6 divided by 5 is 1.2?
In the normal division, 6 by 5.
1 second, sir.
But my way of division is different, Naja. I do speed math. You want to divide like this, right? Multiply with 2, multiply with 2. This is my way of doing it. What is 5 to the 10, right? 6 to the 12. What is 12 by 10? 1 decimal. That is my way of doing maths. But Naja, you don't have to do this. Your answer is this is okay. No, don't try unnecessarily. Okay, everyone? Yes, Gia.
So I'm confused because the constant should be like constant with the
This step is clear.
constant should be moving, right? So isn't
This
the
step,
2
this
he
step is
should
clear.
be where the 5 is?
I'll explain. This step is clear. I move. Okay. How many? This is one term. This is second
Yes.
term. This is third
Mhm.
term. This is fourth term. Agree?
Yes.
The negative one will move, right? So
Mhm.
negative one will become positive one, no problem.
Yes.
This negative 2 is problem, right? Variable.
Yeah.
It will come here, right?
Oh, okay.
This should come here, and this should come
Mhm.
here, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's what I did.
Okay.
I want to clear your confusion. See, negative one will go here, right? It will become positive one. So this is gone, correct? Negative 2 will come here. It become positive 2t, agree?
Yes, sir.
This is gone. So how much is here now? 3t plus 2t? 5t?
Yes.
How much is here? 5 plus 1, 6, 5?
Oh, okay.
What is your confusion?
Yeah. So I was confused that you didn't put the 2t where the you said 3t equals 5 minus
Because I have put
2t.
in this step. I should have done here itself, but I wanted to give one more step, that's why.
Okay.
I have used 2 steps, right? You can directly do in
Mhm.
1 step.
Okay.
Idea is move this here, move this here. That's it, nothing else.
Okay.
Perfect. I want everyone to try one more question because I know you are struggling, everybody. 8 minus 3k equal to 7k plus, okay, sorry, negative 7k plus 20. Try. Find the value of k. Okay, Nishita. Good. Vedant, are you getting it? You have to explain me this one to all of us. Okay, Kanak, let's see. Let's see. Wait. So, first of all, Vedant, who will move here? 8 will go to the right side.
No.
This will go to right side, correct?
Yeah. Sorry.
And this will go to left side, correct?
left side. Yes.
So then when this come to left side, it becomes 7k and 3k is already there, correct?
Yes.
Is this step clear or not, everybody? That is what we should do when I'm right. So guys, what I did, 8 moved from left to right, correct? And negative 7k moved from right to left. Is everyone good here? Vedant? Now, what is 7k minus 3k?
It is 4K.
4k. Kanak, that's the point. It is not 10k, it is 4k. It's the negative here. Next, what is 20 minus 8?
20 minus 8 is 12.
So that is the step. What is the last step, Vedant?
And then value of K is 4 times or 12 divided by 4, which is
Not
3.
4 times. Yes, because you have to
Yeah.
divide. The answer. So guys, what we are doing is, we have moved this to the left side. We have moved this to the right side. That is the only thing we have to be careful. That's it. Please ask me questions if you're confused. Is everyone good here? Priyanka? Kanak, are you good now?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Priyanka, are you good? Pakka Priyanka? Because next question तुमको solve करना है.
Okay, sir.
ये समझ clear है ना ये?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Last question on this and then we move different types. 1 plus 9n equal to negative 2n plus 34. Try everybody. And then Priyanka will explain this method. Okay, Nishita got something? Yes. Very good, Kanak. Both of you are correct. Priyanka, let's start the method. What will you move where first? Method.
So on the
That will
left
go
hand,
here. Correct?
yes, sir.
And this will go here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So all variables on the left, constant on the right, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what will write here? 1 will go. So who will remain? 9n here.
Yes, sir.
If negative 2n come to the left side, what will become?
Sir, negative 2 plus 2n.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now 34 was here. If positive 1 comes from left to right, it become what?
So minus.
Is this step, are you 100% clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, how much is this?
So 11. 11n.
11n. How much is right side?
So 33.
Perfect. What is the next step?
So we will divide 33 11.
Because 11n means 11 times n. Multiplication. So it becomes divided by. So the answer is
3.
so easy. Is everyone clear? Then write CC. If you doubt, ask me. We'll move on to next type. Perfect, Mr. Kanak. Good. Priyanka, good. I'm waiting for Vedant and we have to say CC or okay. It's like saying good. Perfect. VI is more like this. Good. So let's start. Let's do different type. Here we are going to use cross multiplication method. It's same thing, different name. Cross multiplication. If both sides we have a variable something, let's see. The question is 3t by 2 equal to say 9 over say 4. Now here both sides everything is there, right? Do the cross multiplication. Means what? Multiply this with this and multiply this with this. So first you put equal to in between. Listen carefully. Multiply 3t into 4. What is 3 into 4? 3t into 4, Nishita. 3t times 4.
12t.
12t. Put equal to in between. Then tell me what is 2 times 9?
18.
Got it, guys? Cross multiplication. Now if 12t is 18, t will be 18 by 12. Or if you want to simplify, 6 3 are 18. That is the answer. T equal to. But you don't simplify, that's fine. My main point is cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. That's the important. Right, Aja? Yeah. Cross multiply. In between bracket. Let everybody try the next question on cross multiply. If I say 5k over 4 equal to 11 by 3. Tell me value of k. Okay. You are right, Mishita. Kanak, you are right. You have to do one more step, Kanak. 15k is 44, k is what? You are right, Kanak. No, you got it. Thank you, Vedant. You are correct. So, नजा क्या करने वाले हम लोग इसमें? Unmute.
Sir,
This with this. कितना होगा 5k times 3?
15k.
15. Equal to this times this. 11.
44.
So first step is done. Now 15k means 15 times k. So k will be,
So k equals to 44 by 50.
and that is the answer. So simple, right? That's it.
Yes.
Thank you. Cool, everyone? Yes, everybody is correct. 44 equal to 15k. So, Jia, you got this, which is absolutely correct.
Yes. Mine is, so I was doing the slash, but it did the equal
No,
sign.
you done it
so-
correct. So, Jia, now two things are there. Either you do like this or you do like this. Means, I'll tell you one thing. Whether you say a equal to 5, 6, or you say 6 equal to a, both are same.
Mhm.
So, if the question suppose comes equal to a, just for your comfort, just for your mind comfort, reverse it.
Okay.
Similarly, what you got 44 equal to 15k, right?
Yes.
Just reverse it for your comfort, nothing else.
Okay.
But guys, you can reverse only when there is equal to sign. You cannot. I'll tell you one thing. A lot of people say, "Oh, sir said reverse." So, Gia, you understood this? You can reverse, but don't do like this. If 2k is greater than 780, don't reverse it. Okay, that is wrong. It is wrong. You can reverse or something only when equal to sign there. No greater than there. That is wrong. Okay, this is wrong.
So
Yes.
when there is a plus sign or multiplication sign, we can reverse, right?
No, whatever is there, you can reverse. But reverse has to be full. For example, I'll tell you. Suppose the question is 3 plus 2k equal to 11. I'm saying you can reverse everything as it is without 11 minus 2v. Reverse full thing. You can say, sir, I am just swapping. I'll say 11 minus 2v. You can reverse anything in the world when there is equal to sign. But reverse fully.
Sir, I meant that, for example, 3 plus 2k can also be written as 2k plus 3.
That is fine. That is the same place, but you are changing. You are right. But, Naja, you are right. But if it is like this, 3 minus 2k, don't write 2k minus 3. No. Why? 3 is positive, 2k is negative. You can do like this. Negative 2k plus. This is same. Okay. So guys, if you change the position, don't forget the sign. This and this are same. So let's move on. Solve for t. 3t plus 1 by 5 equal to. I really want to see who can do this, because this is not an easy question. A lot of people do mistake. So I'll explain this and the next you will do. Now we will do cross multiplication, right? You do this with this. How much you get? 5t equal to. So this with this is different because there are two terms here. You will say 2 times. That is how you should do. You cannot just say, sir, I'll multiply with. This is what, right? Agree or not? 2 multiply with the full thing on the top, right? Yeah. 2 multiply with full 3t plus 1. And now you write, open it up, you will say, sir, 5t equal to, what is 2 times 3t? 6t. What is 2 times 1? 2. Now you will say 5t minus 6t equal to 2, negative 2 equal to 2, t equal to. That should be the answer. So please go through and tell me. Yes, Krishna, very nice. I know some of you may be confused. Yes, please.
So 5t minus 6t equals to 2.
5 minus 6 कितना होता है?
1.
Minus 1 या 1? The 6 minus
Minus
5
1.
6, right? So minus 1t, right? Good. Is everyone understood this part? How we got this? This is what I want, or not? Can you explain this, Zia?
So first you did 2 times 3, which is 6, and then you added the 1. I mean, sorry, 2
2 times 1.
2 times 1, which is 2. Wait. 2 times 3 is
2 times 3t, not 3, 3t.
3t is 6.
And 2 times 1.
Oh, okay.
For example, Jia and everybody else, if I say 5 times 4t minus 2, what will you do, Jia? You do 5 times 4t. Agree?
40.
Minus. Then you do 5 times 2.
2.
Learned in our terms. Yes or no?
Yes. Okay.
Because
So
it has to be multiplied with both of them.
both. Okay.
Yeah. Vedas, are you
Yes.
asking something? No? Priyanka, how good you are? 100%, 80%, 20%, or 500%? Priyanka,
Yes, sir.
understood, not understood?
So understood.
Pakka? Let's try. If nahi to पूछ लो, nothing to worry. 2k minus 3 by k equal to 5 over 3. Who will explain me this step by step? The method, please. Naja want to do it, Jia want to do it. This question Naja will do, next question Jia will do. As simple. Naja, explain the first step.
So first 2k minus
So you
3.
So you will say, sir, I'll multiply this,
2k minus 3 with 3.
correct?
Yes, sir.
And then I'll multiply this with. So I'll write
Right.
first of as it is. I'll write 3 times.
5k.
No, I'm not multiplying, I'm writing first.
Okay.
5 times k. That's what how you do or not? The first step. Right?
Yes.
That's what you said, Aja. Now, how much is 3 times 2k?
3 times 2k is 6k.
Then 3 times.
Minus 9.
Perfect. How much is 5 times k?
5k.
But guys, this is the most important step. Uske baad to you can do aram se. What is the next step? Naja?
6k. 5k equals to 6k minus.
Remember variables one side, right?
6k
Variable hai.
minus 5k equals to 9.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
We have moved this to the right side. We have moved this to the left side as usual. What is 6k minus 5k?
K equals to 9.
Oh, that's all. That's it. So is it right? Very good. Okay, well, last question on this for Jia. Tell me if you want to erase it. I'm waiting for some of you. 1 second, okay. Cross multiplication, that's it. Done. Let's do a last question of this type and then we move to polynomials. So let's start with Gia. 5j plus 3 divided by 2j equal to 4 over say what 11. Gia, take your 10 seconds and then start explaining to me step by step. We will write the question. We are going to solve with Gia. Okay, Nikita got something. Okay. Vedant, 100% good? Good. Gia, what's the first step?
Okay, so first 5j plus 3 times 11.
Can I
So
write like this or not?
yeah,
Correct?
yes.
Now,
So
then-
first 11 times
so we'll
5.
multiply later. We'll multiply. First, I'm writing the equation. This is
Okay,
done.
so
And then
2j times 4.
correct, I'm only writing the equation, Gia. So 2j. So guys, first we wrote just the cross multiplication equation. We not solved it. Thank you, Gia. Next step now. How much is this?
So 11 times 5j is 55j.
Then
11 times 3 positive positive 33.
perfect. What about this?
That would be 8j 2 times 4.
Perfect. So we're done with the second step. Now who will move where?
So the j
8j will go to the
on-
left.
hj will move to the left side.
Is it correct?
Yes.
And
Positive 33. 33 will move to the right side and it
Is it
becomes
correct?
negative 33.
very nice. How much is this?
Sorry, 1 second.
55 man. Take your time.
So that would become 47j.
Correct?
Yes.
And the last step is 47j is this is the times, right?
Mhm.
So 47 will go down
Yes.
and there's the final answer. Nothing else. Right? Got it, Gia? Same
Yes.
concept, no change. Thank you. Is everyone? Let's see how many got it. Negative 33 over 47, guys. Yes. But Mishita, it has to be negative, right?
So I put the negative.
I cannot see negative.
Oh.
I have to open my eyes very wide.
Sorry.
I know you're not okay. Good. So, guys, I know this was difficult. Vedant, Priyanka, Najak, Kanak, did you get it?
Oh, sir, I got that too. I just forgot to click send.
Okay, no worries. Is everyone good here?
Sir, Gia was explaining when I got the answer, so I didn't send.
No problem. But you all clear. My worry is, in my interest is everyone will clear. That's why. Just say like this, I am good. Perfect. Perfect. Priyanka is not done yet. Priyanka is thinking still. Okay. Chalo. So this is one variable equation. You can solve any equation of one variable like this. Let's talk about polynomial. Suppose that some polynomial is there. This is the way of writing. P of x is 5x plus 2. Is it a polynomial or not? It's not a polynomial.
No.
Why? Why it is not polynomial? Tell me. Yes, Vedant.
It is a polynomial.
It is a polynomial.
Sir,
Yes, Nidita.
what is the P and the X?
That's a good question. It is just a symbol or nomenclature. P of x is means P is a function of x. You will learn in grade 9 or 10, maybe 10. What are functions? Just the symbolic. I also can say y equal. No, it's okay.
Oh, okay.
So just the symbol. You can also say f of x. Means this function is of x. Generally, I do P because P means polynomial. So P of x means polynomial of x. If polynomial of x is 5x plus 2, what is the value of polynomial of 2? Very simple. You will say, sir, I will substitute x equal to 2. Agree? P of 2 means what? You substitute x equal to 2 here. How much become? 5 into 2 plus 2. You say, sir, polynomial of 2 or the value of polynomial is 5.
So
What the
the
meaning of-
polynomial is equal to 12. So if you substitute,
the value of, you can say, that is the meaning. Value of polynomial x equal to 2 is 12. That is the meaning.
Sir, I did not understand.
I know. So the point is, this is the polynomial, right? We are finding what is the polynomial value. Question is, the question is like this. Find polynomial value at x equal to 2. That is the question. Okay. So you have to find out how much the value of polynomial at x equal to 2. So नजा क्या करना है? You have to just substitute x equal to 2 here. That's it. इस x के बदले 2 डाल दो. So what is 5 into 2? 5x is 5 times x, right? कितना हो जाएगा 5 into 2? Correct? Plus 2. Solve करो कितना होता है ये?
12.
तो polynomial value कितना है? 12.
But sir, where does the 5 into x, that x, where does it go?
यही तो किया तूने. You have moved. You have substituted this.
Oh, okay, sir.
If I ask Kanak, find the polynomial value at x equal to 0, and if I give the polynomial as 5x plus 7, tell me what is the answer, Kanak, and how.
So I don't get it.
So what you have to do is you have to find polynomial value at x equal to 0. And this is the question, Kanak. Means you have to substitute x equal to 0 here. Nothing else. Substitute x equal to 0 here. So instead of the x, you will write 0 here, correct? Instead of this x, you will write 0 here. So it become 5x means 5 times. So Kanak, what I have done is, in this equation, I substitute x equal to 0, nothing. I have plugged in value x equal to 0. You got this point or not, Kanak?
Yes, sir.
So that's why I will say polynomial of 0. What is 5 times 0? 0.
0,
Plus 7.
7.
Okay. Tell Nishita, to everyone, this one. I'm going to change the question now, okay? Nishita will explain to all of us. She's very nice and explain. Nishita, explain what is the meaning of the question and how to do it.
the value of y in this one is equal to 3. So it will be p brackets 3 equal to 2 times 3 minus 5 because you substitute y as 3 into the equation.
That is the only thing we have to do. Correct. We have to substitute the value of y equal to 3 in the equation. That's what is important. So
2 times 3 is 6, so 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So p brackets 3 is equal to 1.
you can say value is 1. Got Taja, Jia, Priyanka? Is everyone committed now to give me the next answer? I'll ask you exactly same answer, okay? Jia, clear hai?
Sir,
Yes, Manaja.
sir, so like it is 5 into 2 plus 2 in
No. This is the question, right?
not in this question, sir.
हाँ, वो कैलकुलेशन बाद में करो, पहले क्वेश्चन समझो। ये पॉलिनोमियल है, हमको वैल्यू
Yes,
कहाँ
sir.
पे चाहिए? 3 पे।
हाँ.
पुट y इक्वल टू 3 हियर, इतना ही करना है बस।
Okay, sir.
उसके बाद जो नॉर्मल मैथ्स तुमको आता है सॉल्व करने का, वो सॉल्व करो प्लस में।
Okay, sir.
So everybody try this now. Find value of poly at y equal to 2. P of y equal to 10y plus 2. Very easy one, guys. So fast, Nishika. So Kanak, y will go, right? Because you put 2 in place of y, correct, Kanak? You cannot say 20y because you already put y equal to 2, so it becomes 20 only.
I have a question.
Yes.
So would we do 10 plus 3, or for the next step, would we do 10, like polynomial 2 equals 10 times 3 or 10 plus 3?
Very good question. The question is, do you know board mass? What
Yes.
multiplication or addition? Multiplication first, right?
Multiplication.
So it becomes P of 2. So Kanak, 10, instead of this y you are putting 2, right Kanak? So I'll say 10 times 2 plus.
Okay.
This step is clear? Know what Jia asking, shall we do multiplication first or addition? Obviously multiplication because board mass. So Kanak, y will not be here because you substitute y as 2. So P of 2 20 plus 3 or
23.
that's it. Cool, everyone. Let's try next one. Tell me. Okay, Mishita. Everyone try, please. Kanak, getting it? Okay. Okay, Vedant. Okay, Reis. Okay, Kanak. Good, Kanak. So, yes, Vedant, correct. Correct. So, P of... Priyanka,
Sorry.
how shall we do this? Yes, Jia, tell.
I just have one question. Would we do 45 times negative 11, or would it just be 11?
No. First, we have to do this. P of 3 equal to 45 minus 11 times what?
3. Oh, okay.
So first you do multiply like this. Right? Priyanka, समझ में आया है? प्रियंका का आवाज नहीं सुना, आज क्या है? Priyanka? I'm not
Yes,
able to hear your voice at all today. Why? Not understood, right?
yes, sir.
Understood, not understood.
So understood.
Okay. Good. Okay, one last question Priyanka will solve. Okay, Priyanka? Find the value of polynomial P at P equal to 5. Polynomial is f of p equal to 7p plus 1. Tell everyone, Priyanka, how you solve this.
So we will put 5 in
f
bracket,
of p, yes.
then 7p into 5,
7 into 5. P is gone,
7
right?
in 7 into 5.
Correct. This p will go, right? So, correct.
Yes, sir.
So, cool, everyone. 36. Priyanka,
Yes, sir.
fine. Let's do more difficult ones. X squared. No, I'm going to make it difficult. Plus 5x plus 4. Find p of 1 and p of 0. Let's see who does it both. 2 questions are there. Try everyone. Find p of 1 and p of 0. I want you to write both the answers, guys. Okay, Mishita, good. First one. Second one is also good, Mishita. I want everyone to write like this. Sir, p of 1 is this. Sir, p of 0 is this. That is what you should write. That's the notation. Kanak, you are good. Both are good. Mishita has
Sir-
done both. Kanak has done both. Yes, Maja.
P of 1 means polynomial of 1.
Means value of polynomial at x equal to 1. It
Okay.
means in the polynomial put x equal to 1. And this means put x equal to 0. Try everybody. I'm waiting for Vedant, Priyanka, Jia, and Navin. Vedant got P1 is correct. Just check P0, Vedant again. P1 is good. Just check calculation of P0. Naja, P1 is correct. I'll wait for everyone. Until that, Mishita, can you try P equal to -1? P -1, please. Let's see. If you're done with, guys, you can also try P of -1. Let's see now. It's only for people who have done the first two. Yes, Vedant. No, you corrected it. Good. I'm waiting for Priyanka still.
So I meant -1. Like the p -1 equals 2.
Got it. You are correct. Naja, you said P0 is 0. Check again, Naja. Calculation, please. Priyanka, you got one answer or not yet? नहीं, ये कैसे करेंगे बताओ? पहले हम करेंगे P1, right? Priyanka, unmute.
Yes, sir.
So what we have to put here?
So,
1 मतलब what is 1? X is 1, right?
yes, sir.
So x बोले 1 डाल दो. X square, 1 times 1, correct?
Okay.
Plus 5x, मतलब 5 times
5 times 1.
plus 5, correct or not?
Okay.
क्या किया प्रियंका मैंने? I just put the x equal to 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 5 into 1 is 5. Plus. How much will get P1? प्रियंका क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
अब P0 करके दिखाओ.
Yes, sir.
So P1 is 11, everyone. Let's find P0 because some of you are getting wrong P0. P0 equal to 5. Explain, Vedant, how you get P0?
For P0?
Yep.
Okay, so just what we did for P1, we changed value of x to 0.
Square. Yes.
So yeah, so 0 times 0 is 0, and then plus 5 times 0, which is also 0.
Okay.
And we have one thing left, which has nothing to do with the 0, so it's
So
5.
0 plus 0, just for everybody I'm writing this, we don't have to write all this, but so you can say P of 0 is 5. Cool, everyone. Got matched. Now who can try all P of -1? Let's see. Nishita got it. Naja got it, but Naja, you're getting -1. Check. Almost there, Naja.
I'm confused.
I know.
The question.
I know. So let's do Jia together. We want P of -1. Agree?
Mm-hmm.
What is the first term? X square. Correct?
X square, yes.
X square means -1 times -1. Correct or not?
Yes.
Then what is the next term? 5x. 5
5x.
times. Agree?
-1.
And lastly, don't try to solve together. First, to write it the way I wrote. Correct or not?
Yes.
Now we are going to solve each term first. Tell me, how much is -1 times -1?
+1.
Correct, because even numbers of negative, right? Remember?
Mm-hmm.
So that is that. How much is 5 times -1?
Negative 5?
5 times 1 is 5. But 5 times -1. Correct? See, 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times -1 is -5 because one negative is there. And lastly, what is remaining?
+5.
So this is the second step. Last step is just simplifying that. You can also say ulta. What is 5 minus 5? 0. 0
0.
plus 1? 1. That's it. Now ask me your confusion, please.
Okay. Yes, it's
What
clear.
was the confusion?
So I was confused that the x squared, but it's basically 1 times 1 or
It's
negative
same time,
1
same,
times
yes. So now what I want everyone to do is, if you're clear, let's see how many get it right. P of -2. Try everybody. It will be a really good challenge if you understood all this. P of -2.
So I have a doubt.
Yes, Vijay.
So -2 into -2 will be -4.
Why? See, 2 times 2 is 4.
Yes.
Negative times negative is positive.
Oh, okay. Sir.
Oh, yes. So let me give you rules, guys. If you are struggling, these are rules for negative positive. Jia, note down. Plus, multiply with minus to get negative. Negative, multiply with positive. You still get negative. Negative, multiply with negative. You get positive. Positive with positive. You get positive. It's like you get positive and both are same sign. You get negative and both are opposite sign.
Okay. This is the rule of finding polynomial values, right?
Yes. Find the value of P of -2. Similar question like this. Put it. That's together. So Mishita got something. I'll not say right or wrong. Let's everybody get it first. What is P of -2? Who want to explain this? Maybe Jia will explain this to all of us. So Jia, calculation I will do. You tell the concept.
Okay. So first I will do negative.
Square.
x
-2.
x squared. So -2 times -2,
Then.
which is
No,
Uh,
not which is the solution later. First write it.
fine.
Then
And then +5 times -2.
lastly,
And then lastly is +5.
correct. So we have just substituted as of now. We have not solved it. Only substituted. Now you will start solving each by each. First, you will tell me what is this.
That would be -2 times -2. It is +4.
Correct. So this part is done. And this part. 5 times -2.
5 times -2.
What is 5
So
times 2? 10.
5 times 2 is 10.
Negative or positive, who will decide? One is positive, one is negative.
Yes.
Both are different sign, answer has to be negative. Correct?
Yes.
It's like that. If both are negative, answer is positive. Both are positive, answer is positive. If one positive, one negative, answer is negative. So this part is okay, yeah?
Yes.
What is last?
+5.
So this is the second step. Third step is simplifying those. We can do this minus this, or we can do what is 4 plus 5.
4 plus 5 is 9.
What is 9 minus 10?
9 minus 10 is -1.
So this is not about algebra, guys. This is about your integer operation, guys. So -1 is the right answer, Vedant. You are good, Mishita. Kanak got it. Priyanka got it. This is how variable, how polynomials value work. Okay. Let's make it more difficult. The last one. P of t, small t, right? Equal to 3x cube. I'm going to make it very difficult. 3x cube minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 1. See the polynomial now? Okay, it's my mistake, sorry. There has to be t here. I'm writing t there and adding x here, okay? The polynomial is about t, right? What I want is first to find everyone what is p of 0. Tell me fast.
Sir,
Yes, please.
what equation what substitute are we using? I don't understand what we're using. Oh, okay.
Oh, question I'm giving now. Yes, p of 0 first time. P of 0 is -1. Correct, Michi. Correct with that. Correct. So fast, guys. Because you know why? Say this will become 0. See how it is. This will become 0. This will become 0. This will become 0. You say, sir, it is -1 so fast. Correct? So let's do P of 1 now. Tell me P of 1. Okay, P of 1. Which that's 1, not 2. Check. P of 1, Kanak says 4. I don't know, I haven't solved it yet. Naja, how will we solve it, Naja?
Sir, I myself was confused.
Why confused? I am there now. Why confused? Let's try. We want P of 1. Agree?
Yes, sir.
What is the first term?
3t
3t cube. So means 3 times. T cube means what? T times t or not?
Yes, sir.
So what is t value?
1.
So 1 times 1. That is t cube or not? So 3
Yes, sir.
t cube. That is done. Minus. What is second term?
2t squared.
2t squared. Let me put it here. 2t squared.
2
2 times t
1.
squared. It's always about the method, Naja. What is the next term?
Okay, sir. 5t.
So 5 times 1. Lastly, this, right?
Yes, sir.
Raja, solve with me. This is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So we'll solve the values. Tell me how much is this?
3.
Very good. Minus. How much is
Minus
this part?
2.
Good. See how easy it is. How much is this part?
Plus 5.
You know why people face problem? Because they try to solve everything in mind. It doesn't work like that. And this,
Minus 1.
now is it difficult?
No, sir.
How much is 3 minus 2?
1.
1 plus 5.
6.
6 minus 1.
5.
See? Tell me where was the problem? Tell me honestly where was the problem? Where was the confusion?
It was that 3t cubed.
3t cube. So 3.
I thought it was 3
times
into
3
3 into something like that.
Oh,
So I
equal
said
to 1,
that wrong
Nishita.
math.
I know.
sorry, I had that problem too with the.
But with that we got it, right? Finally, P1 we are looking for. Is everyone good now? Jia, Kanak, Priyanka, all good? 100%? So now if you got this, yes, Vedant.
So if there's a variable and then there's a cubed or squared, do you do it by the variable or the numeric value?
No, I have put everywhere. See what I have done. See, 3t cube. So these 3 here, t cube. So t the cube. This is the t cube, right?
Yeah.
2t square. 2 as it is. T square. This is t square. I always put the value of variable. Always.
Oh, okay.
Always. So let's everybody try now, and Vedant will explain to me. This is for everyone, and Vedant will explain to me. I'm going to erase this. I'm going to erase this. We got P1 equal to 5. Everybody try. Vedant, tell all of us how to solve, not the answer, how to solve. We'll do it here in the blue color. We are looking for P of 2. Solution I will do, you just tell me the method. Tell me
Okay.
the first term.
So 3
3 times
by times 2
t cube. So 2.
t cubed. So 2 by 2 by 2
Correct, guys? This is 3t cube, right, Vedant?
Yeah.
Minus
minus 2 t cubed. So that's
t
2
square.
by t squared. Sorry,
2 by
t squared
Plus.
plus 5t. So 5 times 2 minus 1.
Perfect. Now everybody will solve. Vedant will tell me what is the answer for first term. Guys, go term by term. You're on mute.
Wait. Oh, sorry. So we have to do 3 times
2, 6
2 is 6
times
times
2,
2
12,
is 12 times 2 24.
20. Next,
So that is 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. So 24 minus 8.
then
And then you add 5 times 2, which is 10. Or sorry, yeah. Wait, yeah.
you are right.
Minus
Then
1.
So last step now. Very easy, normal solution. 24 minus 8, 16. Plus 10, 26. Minus 1, 25. So answer is 25. Now tell me, is anyone still confused? Oh, you are good. 25 is correct, Naja. Mijita, you're good. That's it. Any value you can find out. It's not a problem. Any. It is the cubic term, you can do square term, you can do quadratic term, you can do back power 4, 5. Method is same. So algebra, that's why I said remember first day, terms are important. It's always about terms. See, first term, second term, third term, fourth term. If you don't differentiate term, you cannot do it. So I'll still wait for you for 5 minutes because today is the last session of algebra. Ask me whatever confusion you have in algebra. We done from day 1, equations, polynomials, expressions, terms, coefficient. Any confusion in algebra till now, because you should be able to do a lot of algebra in next 4 or 5 years. It's all algebra for you, okay? Next 4 or 5 years.
Gonna do identities.
Identities, yesterday we did. you want, we can just like that. Suppose we have to do this 5t plus 4k square. Okay. We have to find out this value, right?
Yes.
So, and we are going to use identity. This one. A plus b. What is a plus b whole square identity? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? And this for everyone, guys. Good, we will do that. Okay. So this is the identity we are going to use it. Okay. So I'll say using this identity. First of all, Jia, let's compare this with this. A. How much is A? 5t?
1,
No.
5t.
A 5t. How much is B?
4k.
Correct? Let's substitute.
Yes.
What it says first, A square. So A square means A times A.
Yes.
How much is A?
5t times 5t.
So let me write here for everybody. I'm writing in red. That is the main thing. Here, as Jia said, A equal to 5t and B equal to 4k. This everybody understood or not this step? You compared from the
Yes.
question. You compared identity with the question. Oh, A is 5t, sir, B is 4k. No, you are substituting. What we are doing is, now we are substituting here. A squared. So A squared means A times A, right?
Mm-hmm.
Plus, what is next?
4k.
2ab, right?
2ab.
So 2ab. So we will say 2ab. So we write 2 times. What is A?
5k.
What is B?
4k.
That is the
Sorry.
second term.
5k and 4k.
4k is correct, right? So that will 2ab. Last which term? B square.
B square.
How much is B?
4k.
So 4k into 4k. That is the meaning of square, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now we are going to simplify every term. See, guys, this is the first term, right? Yeah.
Yes.
The second term, the third term. Agree or not? From C here.
Yes.
Now we are
Mm-hmm.
going to simplify. How much is 5t into 5t?
5 times 5 is 10t. I mean 25t.
No. 5 times 5 is 25. T times t is. Remember, we learned
T
T
squared.
times T. Multiplication and the addition difference. We're done with the first one. Plus, how much is 2 into 5 into 4?
So 2 times 5 is 10.
10 times 4 is 40.
And 10 times 4 is 40.
And how much is t times k?
Okay.
That's it. What is last term? 4k times 4k. What is 4 times 4?
4 times 4 is 16. So
What is k times k?
16k squared.
That is your final answer. That's it. 25t square plus 40t plus 16t square. Cool.
Okay. Yes.
We'll do one more question, okay? Just for benefit of all of us. Okay? We'll do one more question of identity. Who want to solve with me? One last question. Who is feeling difficult in identity? Should I erase this or you want to take a screenshot, guys? Done?
I got screenshot.
Anyway, you are getting videos, so no worries, right? You can always go and through it, right? So, expand. Expand means same thing. Expand using identity. Question is this. 5a
Sorry.
minus.
Oh, so that was another thing I was having problems with.
Ask me.
So I didn't understand how to expand using.
So last question, what we do? Expand only. Different naming is there. You expand it, you solve it, you simplify it, both are all of it. So this thing you are going to expand into more terms, right?
Mhm.
Got it? Yeah. So we have to expand this. Okay, instead of A, let's write different variable just for P and Q because I don't want to get confused. Okay. 5P minus 2Q whole square. Using this idea. A minus B whole square. Now tell me who want to do this quotient with me. Any one of you. Naja want to do it. Okay. First, everybody write the question. Right, this is the question. To expand this using the identity. In exam, they will give you identity or they may not give you. If they don't give you, you have to remember. So, first of all, Naja, we are expanding this. So, tell me what is A and what is B?
A is here A is 5p
Correct.
and B is 2q.
Is everybody good here? A is 5p and B is 2q. Now, we are going to solve this. We'll directly start writing here. That's why my answer will start here. What is the first term in the answer? In the identity?
A squared.
A
so
square. A is how much?
A is 5p, so it will be 5p into 5p.
First term is done.
Yes, sir.
What is second term?
Minus 2.
Minus 2
A.
times A. How much is A?
A is 5p.
How much is B?
B is 2q.
Second term is done.
Yes, sir.
Last term.
Plus B squared, so it is B is 2q, so it is 2q into 2q.
So guys, first time you only write it, don't solve it. So we just wrote it, right, Aja?
Yes, sir.
How we are going to solve it? The identity. Means we are going to now make it simple. So let's solve. How much is 5p into 5b? How much is 5 into 5?
25
How much is p into p?
p squared.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Next. Let's do only numbers here.
Okay. 2 in 5 into 2 is 10.
10 into 2 is?
So 2 into 5p is 10p.
No, first do only numbers. 2 into 5 into 2. Full term.
5
Numbers.
is
2 into 5, 10. 10 times
20.
2 is 20. So numbers are done.
20.
Let's
Yes.
see variable. P times Q.
PQ.
Done. And the last one.
2q into 2q is 4q squared.
Solve. That's it. See how easy it is. See, there is nothing actually. If you know entity is all easy. Priyanka, how much clear?
So clear.
Kitna percentage?
Sir, 90%.
90%. That's good. Kanak, how much clear you are? Entities.
100%.
So overall algebra, guys, are you good? Do you feel that we have done 4 classes of algebra? See, we planned for 3 classes of algebra, but we done 4. Now I want to make sure that you are all good. Do you feel that in last 4 classes you learned some algebra now? You are better now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to give you assignment in a couple of days. Try as many questions as you can.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, I have a doubt, but this, I don't think it's much related to algebra. But if we take 5 into 2 plus a, and at the same, we will do 5 into 2, then 5 into a, right?
No, I'll tell you. If this is the question, you do like you write this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But listen carefully. It all depends upon. If this is the question, answer is 10 plus 8. But if the question is what I'm writing below now, if the question is this, totally different thing.
Oh,
5 into 2, 10 plus 5 into a. See the difference.
okay.
Bracket makes a lot of difference. What does the bracket says? It says 5 should be multiplied with both. Here,
Okay.
5 is multiplied only with both. It's a good question, Naja. You asked me very clear question. Good. Anybody any doubt? Please ask me. I'll wait for a few more minutes. Ask me algebra doubts if you have. No? Nishita? Vedant? And Jia. Shall we close today's class now? Perfect. Guys, do a lot of practice because algebra is important for next 5 years for you. I love algebra. It's so easy. This is small algebra, we can go more deep later in future, but decimal algebra, you should be 100% clear, okay? Do as much equation solving, addition, subtraction, multiplication, addition, multiplication, these three are very, okay?
Okay.
See you next week with
Okay,
geometry.
sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah, everyone.
Are you gonna post the answer sheet to the last week's homework and this week's?
First, I'll
Okay.
post the answer sheet,
Uh-huh.
and the question for this week, and lastly,
Okay.
I'll post the answer for this. Slowly.
Okay.
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 I don't remind you, okay? Thank you.
Okay, yeah, bye.